Welcome back to Fail to Win. Today, we are switching gears and diving into a success story that revolutionized the pizza industry. Domino's Pizza, known for its innovative approach to fast food. Imagine a world where a single pizza brand becomes synonymous with quality and taste, dominating the market with its irresistible flavors. This is the story of Domino's Pizza. In 1960, Tom Monahan and his brother James took over a small pizza restaurant called Dominick's in Ypsilanti, Michigan, with just a $500 down payment and a borrowed $900. Within 8 months, James traded his share of the business to Tom for a Volkswagen Beetle, and Tom was left to steer the ship alone. A pivotal moment came when an employee suggested the name Domino's, which Tom loved. And in 1965, the business was officially renamed Domino's Pizza Incorporated. The original logo had 3 dots representing the 3 stores in 1965, but as Domino's rapidly expanded, adding a dot for each new store became impractical. By 1978, Domino's had grown to 200 stores, and the first franchise location had opened in 1967, marking the beginning of its franchise model. Domino's entered the Indian market in 1995 under Jubilant FoodWorks, opening its first outlet in 1996, and quickly expanded to over 1,000 outlets in India by 2016. Despite its success, Domino's faced challenges in India, including a 2016 scandal involving harmful chemicals in their pizza bread and a viral video of bugs in their seasoning sachets. In response to these challenges, Domino's improved its packaging and quality control, demonstrating its commitment to customer safety and satisfaction. A major turning point for Domino's was in 2010 when they revamped their pizza recipe and launched the "Oh Yes We Did" campaign, admitting their previous shortcomings. This bold move paid off, with system-wide sales jumping from $3.1 billion to $5.9 billion by 2017, and Domino's surpassing Pizza Hut to become the largest pizza chain by sales. Domino's strategic business model focuses on digital innovation, allowing customers to order through various platforms, including smart TVs, cars, and even Twitter. This adaptability to digital mediums has given Domino's a competitive edge, with 55% of US sales coming from online or mobile orders. Domino's pricing strategy, offering value deals without compromising on quality, has also contributed to its success, with revenues increasing by 23% since introducing a low-cost menu in 2013. The company has also tapped into untapped markets, with only 7% of its business coming from outside the US, but significant growth potential in countries like China. Domino's aims to double its outlets in India by 2021, showcasing its ambition and confidence in the growing demand for pizza in the region. The company's future plans include reaching $25 billion in annual sales globally by 2025 and adding 2,000 new US stores within that time frame. Domino's revenue model is robust, with the supply chain accounting for 57% of its income, and royalties and fees from franchisees contributing significantly. The brand's focus on quality and customer convenience has led to strong brand equity, high sales, customer loyalty, and overall popularity. With over 1,000 outlets in India, Domino's has proven that standardization of taste and quality is achievable on a large scale, setting a benchmark for success. As Domino's continues to innovate and expand, it remains a dominant force in the global pizza market, showing the world what it means to be a true pizza powerhouse. Stay tuned for more delicious stories from the world of Domino's.